Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Boston Pizza Thai chicken bites, or Thai chicken wings, boneless chicken wings, chicken bites, whatever they're called. So it's Super Bowl Sunday, got a little treat here before the Super Bowl, and I'm excited to try these out. Boston Pizza's got some really good food, and I love chicken, so here we are with this Thai sauce on the chicken. I'm just gonna get right into these. Oh yeah. Those are really good. Nice sweet Thai sauce on them. Not really spicy, but it's giving a good little flavor to it. The crunchy shell around the chicken is so good. The chicken, delicious. I like the texture on these. Nice crunchy exterior. The chicken tastes good. If you ever had chicken from Boston Pizza before, I think all their chicken's kind of similar. It has the same taste, and it's really good. I like it a lot. These like chicken nuggets, but a million times better. It actually tastes like you're eating chicken breast, kind of, but also with the crunchy breaded shell. So good. Amazing. You don't taste the Thai sauce a whole lot compared to the chicken, but it is good, flavorful. Have another bite here. So good. Yeah, they don't stop there. These are amazing. As far as chicken wings go, these are really good. Boneless chicken wings are nice. They're basically like a glorified chicken nugget, but with higher protein and higher quality chicken too, I believe. So I really like those. They're not spicy. Like there is Thai sauce, and I feel a little tiny burn, but nothing I can't handle. It's more sweet than anything. I really like it. The crunchiness of the shell or the batter around the chicken's good. Chicken itself's amazing. Really good. I like these. I'll give the Boston Pizza Thai bites or the Boston Pizza Thai chicken wings, boneless chicken wings, whatever these are called, I'd give these an 8.5 out of 10. I really like the flavor in these. The chicken itself tastes really good. The sauce is good, not too strong. It all blends together nicely, and it's a quality chicken. I like the taste of that. Pretty good. So yeah, go check those out. Boston Pizza, real good. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.